Hello everyone, today I will show you how to allow Facebook access to camera. And here's how it is done. Start by unlocking your iPhone and finding the Settings app, which is usually on your home screen. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. Once in the Settings app, scroll down through the list of apps until you reach Facebook. The apps are listed alphabetically, so it shouldn't be too far down. Tap on the Facebook option to access its specific settings and permissions. Within the Facebook settings, you will see a section for Allow Facebook to Access with a list of options, such as location, microphone, and camera. Look for the camera option. You will see a toggle switch next to camera. If the switch is off or gray, tap the toggle to turn it on and to green. This grants Facebook permission to use your iPhone's camera for activities like uploading photos or videos to your feed, taking photos in the Facebook app, or participating in live video calls. After adjusting your settings in the iPhone Settings app, you may also be prompted by Facebook itself to allow camera access when you try to use a feature that requires it, such as taking photo for a post or starting a video call. If this happens, simply tap Allow when the prompt appears. Once you have enabled camera access, Facebook will be able to use your camera whenever needed, and you can start sharing photos and videos directly through the app. If you ever want to revoke access, you can follow these same steps and toggle the switch off again. And that is everything you need to know about how to allow Facebook access to camera. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.